cartoons, like sad story sadpasta or whatever they call a sadpasta. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this series because this is about the only one I can find on the web. Called McStuffins, the irreplaceable ones. Now, I don't know if this story's gonna be any good. I mean, I read it and I really did not get, the gist of it. But I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but you know what? We're just gonna do it just for the wolf pack on my channel. So yeah, that's a new thing I'm gonna start doing, doing the wolf pack on my channel. Anyways, so you know what? Let's get into this. And by the way, if you like this, comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, that notification bell, and you know what? Do your thing. So let's get this started. Alright, here we go. If you're a fan of the Disney Channel, you probably know that there is a block in the weekday mornings for preschoolers called Disney Junior. We show like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and PJ Masks and Puppy Tales, etc. However, in 2017, we banned a show entitled Doc McStuffins. This show about a girl named Dottie who fixed broken toys. My son Grant loves the show. It was Christmas. The TV said that there was a new episode of Doc McStuffins, and it is a special. But there was something off about the title. It was titled The Non-Repairable. That is strange because I do not remember a episode named that. Anyway, it started off with Doc McStuffins going down the stairs, and she fell off the stairs. You can hear realistic cries from her. A few hours later, she was unconscious in a hospital bed. The doctor came and said in a very deep voice that she had a mental condition, which she is imagining names for the toys. Stuffy, the dragon toy, was not the original name. His real name was Mr. Blueberry. After a few hours, she was dead, and all of her toys were dirty and broken. After that, I ended my Disney Junior thing and move on to Nickelodeon shows like Paw Patrol and Max and Ruby. That's as far as it goes for that sad truth about McStuffins. I won't watch the show again. The memories of the show will always be in my head, and I'll never see this show the same way again. I hope you guys enjoy that. You guys have, you know what to do. By the way, thank you for 85 subscribers, by the way. I am so happy that you guys just subscribed to me. I'm so happy. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for listening. You guys have, I probably should just say the same thing over and over again, which I haven't really been habit doing that. So, you guys have, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. This is the Anime Wolfie, and peace out.